In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Leadpages with ConvertKit. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to be in your ConvertKit account. Look towards the top right corner and click on your profile to access your account settings. Here, you'll find your API key. This key is crucial as it essentially acts as a secure bridge between your ConvertKit account and other platforms. Make sure to copy this API key to your clipboard, as you'll need it soon. Next, open up a browser if you haven't already and search for Leadpages. When the results come up, click the official link to access the Leadpages site. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But assuming you do, let's move on to the dashboard. Inside your Leadpages dashboard, look for the Integration section. It's usually located in the Settings or Options menu. Think of this section as the command center where you connect all the moving parts of your digital marketing tools. Once you've opened up Integrations, you'll need to find and select the ConvertKit logo. Click on it to start the integration process. You should now see a field where you can paste that API key you copied earlier. Position your cursor in the field and paste it directly from your clipboard. This step is essential to link Leadpages with ConvertKit securely. Now, click the Connect button, and a confirmation message should appear letting you know that the two platforms are now seamlessly linked. With that setup out of the way, you're ready to create or edit a landing page in Leadpages. Navigate back to your dashboard and either choose an existing page to edit or start a new one, depending on what your current needs are. Hover over the email form section on your landing page and click Edit Integrations. This is where you determine which email service will be collecting your subscribers. Look into the new panel that opens up and select ConvertKit from your list of available providers. You'll now see the option to select a specific ConvertKit form or list. Pick the one where you want new subscribers to be added. This ensures that anyone who signs up through your landing page is automatically funneled to the right list within your ConvertKit account. Finally, after you've confirmed these settings, make sure to confirm the connection, often indicated by a checkmark. And if you wish, you can opt to remove any default lead notifications that Leadpages might send. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and publish your landing page. That's it. Your Leadpages and ConvertKit are now fully integrated and ready to help you capture leads and grow your subscriber list seamlessly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.